Sustainable fishing is an approach to harvesting and managing fish populations in a manner that maintains their long-term health and ensures the health and resilience of the marine ecosystems in which they live. The goal of sustainable fishing is to meet current seafood needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This involves considering the ecological, social, and economic aspects of fisheries management. Here's how sustainable fishing practices contribute to preserving ocean ecosystems. Key principles of sustainable fishing. Fisheries management. Sustainable fishing involves the implementation of effective fisheries management practices. This includes setting catch limits, regulating fishing gear and methods, and establishing protected areas or seasons to allow fish populations to reproduce and replenish. Stock assessment. Regular assessment of fish stocks is crucial for sustainable fishing. This involves monitoring the abundance, distribution, and health of fish populations to determine their status. When necessary, adjustments to fishing quotas and regulations are made based on scientific assessments. Bycatch reduction. Bycatch refers to the unintentional capture of non-target species during fishing operations. Sustainable fishing practices aim to minimize bycatch through the use of selective fishing gear, modifications in fishing techniques, and the implementation of bycatch reduction devices. Ecosystem-based management. Rather than focusing solely on individual fish species, sustainable fishing adopts an ecosystem-based management approach. This considers the interactions among different species, their habitats, and the broader ecosystem dynamics. Preserving the health of the entire ecosystem is critical for the sustainability of fisheries. Protecting habitat and biodiversity. Sustainable fishing recognizes the importance of preserving critical habitats such as coral reefs, seagrasses, and mangroves. These habitats serve as breeding and nursery grounds for many marine species. Protection of biodiversity contributes to the overall health and resilience of ocean ecosystems. Regulating fishing effort. Controlling the overall fishing effort, including the number and capacity of fishing vessels, is a key component of sustainable fishing. This prevents overfishing and helps maintain a balance between fishing activities and the capacity of fish populations to reproduce and grow. Monitoring and surveillance. Effective monitoring and surveillance are essential for enforcing fisheries regulations and ensuring compliance with sustainable practices. This includes measures such as satellite tracking of fishing vessels, onboard observers, and electronic monitoring systems. Traceability and certification. Sustainable fishing practices often involve traceability systems that track seafood from the point of capture to the consumer. Certification programs, such as those provided by organizations like the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, verify that fisheries adhere to sustainable and responsible practices. Benefits of sustainable fishing for ocean ecosystems. Maintaining fish populations. By avoiding overfishing and allowing fish populations to reproduce, sustainable fishing helps maintain the abundance and diversity of fish species. This, in turn, contributes to the stability of marine ecosystems. Preserving biodiversity. Sustainable fishing practices contribute to the conservation of marine biodiversity by minimizing the impact on non-target species and protecting critical habitats. This is essential for the overall health and resilience of ocean ecosystems. Maintaining ecosystem functionality. Healthy fish populations play a crucial role in maintaining the balance and functionality of marine ecosystems. They contribute to the regulation of prey species, control of algae, and overall ecosystem stability. Supporting ecosystem resilience. Sustainable fishing practices enhance the resilience of ocean ecosystems to environmental changes, including climate change. By maintaining diverse and healthy populations, ecosystems are better equipped to adapt to and recover from disturbances. Safeguarding livelihoods. Sustainable fishing is not only environmentally responsible but also socially and economically beneficial. It supports the livelihoods of fishing communities by ensuring a steady and reliable supply of fish over the long term. Promoting responsible consumption. Consumer awareness of sustainable seafood choices is a key driver in encouraging responsible fishing practices. By choosing sustainably sourced seafood, consumers contribute to the demand for environmentally friendly and ethical fishing practices. In summary, sustainable fishing practices are designed to balance human needs with the preservation of ocean ecosystems. By implementing effective management strategies, reducing bycatch, protecting habitats, and considering the broader ecological context, sustainable fishing aims to ensure the long-term health of marine environments while supporting the well-being of both fisheries and the communities that depend on them.